Welcome to the Easy channel and let's start sport.
Oh my god! What the fuck?
Respect speed limit. Adjust your speed wherever you are. Don't be a scumbag on the road.
Oh man. What's up with this guy? Wisconsin. Bro, you're allowed to pass there. Let him pass. Oh wow.
What?
But he lets the guy with the trailer pass? Oh!
Dude, yes.
Oh my goodness. Oh! Yo! Where are the police? Oh no. Are they gonna fight? They're gonna fight! Oh nah. Yeah, it's time to fight, buddy. What?
Adjust your speed.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Babe. What the fuck was that? Babe, ayoko na. Shit.
Look where you going. You must always know your destination. Follow the signs.
Legit a baby on this person's lap. There's a fucking baby on this person's lap as she's driving, talking on the phone. Oh my god.
Pay attention to the other cars in traffic.
You let me fall, you heal my pain.
Very simple rule. Just respect traffic light. Always pay attention to the road ahead and keep your distance between the cars.
Shit! Oh, fuck! God damn! Oh, shit!
Racing on the highway put you and others at risk.